Hey, what's going on, guys? Will Dole here with WillPower Fitness, and today I'm going to show you one of my new favorite products and a great core workout that you can get with this product. It is called the A2ZCare Ball. Similar to a slam ball, and it goes everywhere from 2 up to 8 pound increments. I'm going to show you a quick workout tutorial. I highly recommend this video, or this video as well, but also this product. I've been doing a ton of workouts with this for the core, shoulders, rotational movements. Let's check it out. Hope you enjoy. All right, there you have it, guys. I just went through 7 different core exercises that you can do with the A2ZCare Ball. I originally bought a 5-pounder for my fitness facility, and within the next week, I purchased 2 more off of Amazon Prime because I wanted them to be used in our group fitness classes. All right, so I would recommend maybe starting with a 2 or 3 pounder, see how you feel if you're just starting out, or if you want to go hardcore, grab the 8-pounder. I will say though, if you have smaller hands, I would go with the smaller ball. All right, I have some clients with tiny hands, they can't really utilize the 5-pounder that well and get a good grip on it. So maybe start with the 4 or the 3, you're still gonna get an awesome workout. So anyway, if you like the video, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell down there somewhere that's gonna notify you when we drop more content, more videos. And also, if you're interested in purchasing your own A2ZCare Ball in any size and color, go ahead and hit that link below and you can purchase your own for the home, for your gym bag, or to just sneak it into your fitness facility and leave it there so your gym people can utilize it. All right, love you guys. When you get super advanced at this, you can do windmill dunks with your own grapefruit / A2ZCare Ball, like so. Ah, I got it! 5th time's the charm. Stay tuned for more content.